Hey guys, Brandon Panaface here with a Nerd Block unboxing. So, for July. So let's open it up. Good. Alright, let's see. Ooh. Yes. So we got little Buffy figurine. Got Spike, my favorite. Oh, I love it. Love it. I'm also glad I got my favorite character. I love Spike. Love him. Alright, let's see. Haha. So, got a shirt. It's like, sweep the leg, you fools. It's actually pretty awesome. Can't wait to wear that. What else we got? Ooh, got a little Iron Man keychain. My friend Katie will be jealous because she loves Iron Man. So this is pretty awesome. Got a open. Ghostbusters wallet. It's like one of those like paper wallet things. It's actually pretty awesome. And it's like who you gonna call and Stay Puft on there. Like a bunch of different things from Ghostbusters. Let's see what else we got. We got a little comic thing for Mad Max. That's actually pretty awesome. And the last thing in here is a Transformers danglers. Let's see who we got. Come on. So it's like a little phone charm type thing. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying not to drop this box. I got a little Transformers dangler. It's like whoop. And then of course the little like postcard thing. So, humanity's last hope. That's pretty awesome. I like everything that came in this box. So, I think my favorite thing from this box is Spike. I love him. But there's other people you could get, like Buffy or Angel, but Spike is all that's important, right? So yeah, that was actually pretty quick unboxing video. I kind of went through that pretty fast. I'm like, look, yeah. So I will probably end this video since I've already done opening it and everything. So yes, Nerd Block, love it. So guys, I'll see you guys in the next Nerd Block unboxing for next month. So yeah, see ya.